You read the company's annual report. You listened to the management call. The debt is low, revenue is high, but yet the stock fell by 5%. Welcome back to Swing Trading, where timing beats theory and charts often speak louder than balance sheets. But does that mean fundamentals don't have any value at all? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Pranav VK, an NISM-certified trader and trainer, and your swing trading guide here at Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. When I started out, I treated every trade like a long-term investment. I read the P&L, the ROCE, as well as the shareholding patterns as well. I would analyze all of it, but 5 days later, I would exit with a tiny gain or because of panic. That's when I realized swing trading plays by different rules. Fundamental analysis is nothing but a deep dive into a company's core health. It tells us whether the company is profitable, if the revenue is growing, and if the debt is in control. It's basically like studying the complete fitness report of a sportsperson before choosing him for a specific match. But swing trading, it's not a long tournament, it's a quick match. And in quick matches, it's the form and momentum that is more important than the player's background. In trading, time frame is everything, depending on whether you're a long-term investor, a swing trader, or an intraday trader. Now, let's say you have two different buckets. One is fundamental analysis and the second one is technical analysis. While the fundamental analysis gives you the long-term health of a company, the technical analysis is going to give you the short-term behavior of the stock. Swing trading sits right in between. You're not really marrying the stock, but you're just dating it for 5 to 15 days. So here's the key question. Will this information impact the stock in the next upcoming 2 weeks? If yes, then look at it. If no, then ignore it. Now let's analyze and understand when can fundamentals actually help in swing trading. There are 3 key moments, and that is what we're going to understand now. The 3 moments when fundamentals can help us improve our swing trading is number 1, earnings dates. The second one is high debt or news risk. And the third one is sector rotation clues. So let's understand each of them one by one. Starting with the first one, earnings dates. Avoid initiating fresh swing trades just before earnings, because that is when the volatility is highest and that can cause unnecessary losses. And even good results can lead to dip in the stock. The second one is high debt or news risk. Avoid trading in stocks which has very high debt because it can be prone to negative sentiments. The most important sectors in this category are the airlines as well as telecom. The third one is sector rotation clues. Let's say, for example, all the major FMCG stocks are breaking out at the same time. Then that shows a macro positive trend which can help you enter fresh positions into your swing trades. Now let's understand when fundamentals can actually mislead swing traders. Here's where most swing traders go wrong. They confuse a good business with a good setup. Let's take for example D-Mart, an amazing business and a company. But if it is breaking the key supports, but you're still holding it just because the fundamentals are strong, then it doesn't make sense. So you don't need 10-year projections to hold a stock for next 7 days. That's like reading somebody's resume just to grab lunch with them. So what's the verdict? Should you completely ignore fundamentals? Not at all. But should you use fundamentals like a gospel? Also no. But rather, you can use it this way. Know when earnings are coming and plan your trades accordingly. Second, avoid companies with weak balance sheets. And finally, focus on price action first and story later. Always remember that in swing trading, it's the reaction to news that is more important than the news itself. If you like this video, then go ahead and share it with your friends. You're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. I am Pranav VK and I'm going to see you in the next video.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.